Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever heard the term crypto and wondered what it's all about, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency, what it is, how it works, and why it's changing the world of finance. Let's get into it.
Cryptocurrency, or crypto for short, is a type of digital or virtual currency. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euros, crypto exists only in the digital world. It's not printed on paper or minted as coins, and you can't hold it in your hand, but you can send it, receive it, and even store it on your computer or a special app.
But what makes crypto really unique is that it's decentralized. That means there's no central authority, like a bank or government, controlling it. Instead, cryptocurrencies run on a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, or record-keeping system, where all crypto transactions are stored. Each time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, that information is added to a block of data. Once a block is full, it's linked to the previous block, forming a chain. This is why it's called blockchain. And because it's decentralized, no single person or company has control over it. Here's how it works in a nutshell. Let's say you want to send Bitcoin to a friend. Instead of using a bank, you use a digital wallet. You create a transaction, which gets verified by a network of computers, called miners, that help confirm the transaction's validity. Once verified, it's added to the blockchain and your transaction is complete. All of this happens in a matter of minutes, and because there's no middleman like a bank, it can be faster and cheaper, especially for international transactions. So, why is crypto so popular? Well, it's seen as a way to bypass traditional financial systems. Some people love the idea of privacy and control over their own money. Others are excited by the potential for high returns, as the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly. Another reason is the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. With crypto, you can earn interest, trade assets, and even take out loans, all without relying on a bank. However, it's important to know that crypto isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Its value can be extremely volatile. Just look at how Bitcoin's price has jumped and dropped over the years. Plus, because crypto transactions are anonymous and irreversible, it's also attracted scams and fraud. And since the space is still relatively new, regulations are constantly changing, so it's not always easy to know what's legal and what isn't. Now, if you've heard of crypto, you've probably heard of Bitcoin. It's the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, created in 2009 by someone, or a group, under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. But Bitcoin isn't the only crypto out there. Ethereum, for example, allows developers to build decentralized apps on its blockchain. And there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies with different use cases, like Litecoin, Cardano, and Solana. So, that's crypto in a nutshell. It's a digital currency that runs on blockchain, offering a new way to send, receive, and store money. It has its risks, but it's also changing how we think about money and finance. If you want to learn more or dive deeper into specific coins, be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, and stay crypto smart.